Do I believe Instagram lives are for everybody? No. Only if you are about that life.
What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'?
Instagram Live, for me, has really been a really great connection to the audience, where pre-recorded videos can show a certain side of you, but still doesn't show the whole side of you. What I love about lives is that you get to feel and see and get kind of a sense of the person's swag, kind of an idea of the true authentic self of a person. And plus you get to talk back to people who are commenting. Instagram Live is still a very crucial part of one's content strategy, only if you are about that life. Let me be very specific with that. Do I believe Instagram lives are for everybody? No, I don't. Not everybody can go live. It's not the easiest thing. However, it's not the hardest thing either. So let's go over some of just kind of how to get started with Instagram Live, some tips and tricks, some do's and don'ts. You feel me? Here's the live, right? When you hit live, you're gonna have a few options. Let's not totally forget about these options. Do not just go and hit the live button. You can, but let's not, okay? So, important part. Always have a title. You wanna have a catchy title or your theme title that people will know exactly what they're going into. Some people, yes, will see that Nicky is live and will join the live. Other people really need to see what I'm talking about to stop exactly what they're doing. So always write a title, right? So I could just, for example, AI talk. This is what we used to do on Instagram. Boom, update titles, that's it, right? Now they do have this quiz feature where you have the option of doing this or that or a trivia. So this or that literally allows you to pick either apples or oranges or pasta or pizza. It'll make you pick between. You can do trivia, right? Shows off a trivia knowledge, answer questions or anything about pop culture to science, chosen at a random each day. Make it interactive, let people comment on what they think is the answer, or team up with a co-host. So you could do this with a co-host, this or that, like I was talking about, fries or tots, fame or fortune, memes or GIFs, choose your favorite and ask why. Answer up to 15 questions every single day. So this kind of makes it a little bit, interactive for your followers, which is really dope because it's really hard with Instagram to be interactive with just one view. So this gives kind of a really dope vibe. If I was to try it, it kind of makes me small and then we can go live like that, right? Now, really important to know, really important to know. Public subscribers or practice. A lot of people don't know that you can go live on practice mode. You don't always have to go live and have that fear of, do I sound good? Do I look good? What am I gonna say? You literally can go practice, make sure lights are good, sound is good, you look good. You actually have some key points. You can even, in practice mode, invite 1 or 2 people and it's not broadcasted to everybody. So this is really dope to try out, especially for my people who are a little bit structured or a little bit nervous. Try there, then go live, right? Subscribers, if you have your subscribers up, subscribers could get lives only. So you have that option. And that's right here with the I. Now, if you also have your subscribers, you can actually put this up and it turns on your subscriptions where people can actually subscribe right from your live. So this is great for conversions. Then what is super important is scheduling out your lives. We have to stop getting in the thought process that when we go live, people are going to stop everything that we do. This is why also on this live, I go 10 p.m., 10:15, something like I normally do around the same time. Every Monday, there is going to be a live, right? I'm trying to get very religious on the times, but to get people to plan to watch what you're doing, you want to schedule your lives out. When you schedule your lives out, you actually can post it as on your stories, on your post, your reels, and it actually comes up as a reminder. So give it a title, give it a start time, and you could choose between 3 months from today and 1 hour from now. So you can plan everything up to 3 months, and you can schedule everything out even up to an hour. Now, if it's below an hour, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, you can't schedule it out. So keep that in mind. And then, boom, if you have some fundraisers, you want to raise some type of money, please do that. Now, ladies, or even my males who want to have a filter, you have all your filters down here. It can change whatever you want it to be. What is this? Nod your head. Oh. Okay, I don't know what's happening. This okay. I'm gonna stop that. I'm gonna stop that. That was wild. Right? This got me rosy. Why has this got me rosy? Oh, it's black and white. Gives me kind of a dramatic look. You feel me? You do, I don't know what that did. Let's add media. Let's do add media. Let's add media. Not really sure what's happening. I don't know what it's doing. Feels like it's doing something, but I don't have the patience. All right, 4K. This is one of my favorite things. Boom. Go like this. I don't know how good that would be as far as for a live. I don't know how good that would be, but I used to use this a lot, which made people feel like I was recording when sometimes I wasn't. So that's a thing. You feel me? And it just typical of using, different filters to kind of give you your own vibe, your own kind of situation. Now, let's talk about some do's and don'ts. Do always have the topic that you want to talk about. Do not freestyle completely. I am a structured freestyler, meaning I know exactly what I'm going to be talking about. I have some points, but I don't necessarily have a whole script of exactly what I'm going to be talking about. So at least come ready with the topic and some talking points so you don't lose the people who are watching, right? So please do that, right? Do not, I repeat, do not eat on live. Let me know, what are some of the don'ts on the lives? What some of the things that we don't want to see, right? Actually, let's jump on somebody's live and let's see what they're doing. I'll show you whose account this is. This is Ash Cash account. And lately, he has been showing pre-recorded videos live. Kind of just like affirmation, meditation, and sometimes his podcast. And it's like going on at night. I'm very interested in what this exactly does. I wonder if it brings him more people. But like, even in the joint, it says, get your mind right, get your life right, come in abundance to join the abundance community. And then you could also do badges, which is a way to monetize, right? So I think there's a strategy to it. I would have to talk to him to find out. But I've been seeing him do this lately, and this is very interesting because, like you can hear, hold on.
Becoming more and more prosperous. Making money is good for me and for everyone in my life.
Okay, yeah, this is some like affirmation meditation type thing. I'm not mad at it. Let's see what a collab looks like.
So I'm giving y'all away a free course showing y'all how to use Metro to repair your credit. I'm giving you away resources, how you can get access to business funding, how to structure your business, what banks to go to.
All right, so let's break this down real quick. Let's actually break this down, cause I'm not gonna. So you can see on the bottom that there's two Instagram accounts that have no video, and then there's him, right? That's showing his products. What he probably does, he probably has both of these accounts, right? And what he's doing is getting the audience of these people, but he is actually hosting it. So he's trying to build up his audience to all go for this upsell. I've seen a lot of people do this. I'm not mad at this actual situation. So if we go recession resources, this has 286K, right? Then we have this one, and this has 59.6K. And then we have him who has 124K. Here's another thing when it comes to Instagram Live. Once one is done, then you get to see other lives that you may not be following. This dude I love because he kind of does like a game show on his live. The biggest thing about lives is if you can make it as interactive as you can, please do. Here's six figure chick.
Woo! Y'all know this Beyonce internet, honey. We ain't. This is Beyonce internet. So I just want to tell everybody, thank you so much. Thank you. You guys are not on my text list. My birthday month is in December. The Spa Awards in December. So you know, we're showing up and showing out for the month of December. Super excited. But I just wanted to come in and tell everybody, thank you so much for shopping Black Friday sales, Small Business Saturday. I'm hoping you guys had success. If you did not,
Let me pause that real quick. I really like that. Here's the thing. Once again, it's the authenticity, it's organic. It's showing that you're human. One of the biggest things with lives is that you get to connect with your audience, and this is exactly what she does. Especially if you're selling something, say to people, thank you for trusting me in joining my Black Friday sale, joining my Cyber Monday joining my community. Shout out to everybody who's part of Deeper Than the Brand. You feel me? So that's just a more organic vibe. So those were just several different examples of how people go live on Instagram. You have to figure out your own style. You got to figure out what's good for you. Are you more of the interactive way with the shows, like creating a interactive show? Are you more of the workshop, right, where you're actually teaching somebody something? Are you just wanting to talk to the people and say thank you, right? And actually in the comments, in the chat, let me know if you was to go live, what kind of vibe, what kind of way would you go live? Would it be workshop? Would it be an interactive show? Would it be just talking to the people? Would it be a Q&A? That whole nine. Let me know. Do not forget to like and subscribe, please and thank you. Appreciate you.